Guys, Andy Money again. Today I'll be showing again, like in my first video I showed you how to put the hook on a door. These are quote hooks actually. I'm gonna put two more on this room. So I'll put this one end on first. So what you do is get this screw about that side. Make sure that check the door width of the door. This door is quite like maybe about 3 inches in thickness. If it's smaller, use a smaller one. So I'll be using this. So I'll be doing a hammer here. First just tap it like that. Okay. Now I'll be screwing it. This Phillips screw. That's done. So we're gonna put another one on. Same again. Stop it with the hammer like that. Hold it from there. So that's done. That's it. I'll do another one now. Second one. First of all, just line it up. Line it up and just hold that there and just put the hammer there. So that's alright. Now let's sit down. That's it, that's how you do it. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.